What is going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. The other day I sent out a poll to all my subscribers asking what kind of video you guys would want to see next, whether it was, how to get free Bitcoin, something about DoorDash, if you guys would want to see my $60,000 Robinhood account. And most of you guys voted that you guys would want to see the Robinhood portfolio that I have built over the past few years. So I thought I'd make a quick little video about that right now. Before I get into the video and show you guys my portfolio, I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so use all this information at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not going to go over why I have these stocks. I want you guys to do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm going to tell you how much I'm up or down on each stock, how many shares I have, and stuff like that. If you guys do want me to go over why I have each of these stocks and go more in depth on individual stocks, and comment below, and I'll be happy to do that. But for this video, I just want to be short and just go over my entire portfolio. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and click the bell next to it. It's something like 80% of you guys aren't subbed to the channel, and it really does help out so you guys don't miss any of these videos. So please smash that subscribe button and click the bell right next to it. All right, let's get into it. All right, so here is my Robinhood account right now. We're sitting at $65,084. On Friday, I lost $201, but after hours, I actually got $786 back. The whole market was red. It was, there's a 3-day weekend coming up. Martin Luther King Day is on Monday, so a lot of people usually sell out of stocks for a long weekend. So it's not all the time, but a lot of times right before a long weekend, like holidays, expect a red day. Expect most of the market to be down overall. When I go to the weekly, you can see on the week I'm up $759, 1%, which isn't that bad. But when I go to the 1 month, this is where it gets really fun. I've had a very good month. Some of the stocks that I'm going to go over have been killing it. Let's click the 1 month. As you can see, I am up $23,777, which is 57.56% in the past 30 days. That is insane. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that and what stock. There's been multiple stocks. Some of them I've sold out of, but one stock I currently have that has made me a lot of that money. I'm just going to scroll down and go in order. So the first thing that I have is some NNDM $10 call options. I bought this the other day. I'm going to get into that. I have NNDM shares as well. So I picked up some options. They expire on the 19th of February. I'm up $3, not a lot. This was down 10% the other day. The stock was down 10% the other day. So I picked some of these up for the future, not, I know it's only $3, but that was only in 1 day that I made that. All right, so next let's get into like the main stocks that I have. So JAGX. I'm not going to tell you guys, I want you guys to do your own research on this. It's Jaguar Health. If I scroll down, I have 5,700 shares and the market value of $19,295 with an average cost of 99 cents. So on Friday, I made $285, 1%, which is, pretty solid, $285 in 1 day. But overall, I'm up $13,637, which is 241%. I've only had this, if I scroll down, where is it? I bought this, a couple weeks ago. I've been averaging up a little bit because I believe in this stock. Next week, as I said, I don't want to get too into specifics because I want you guys to do your own research, but next week could be very good. They have a few conferences. They have some research coming out, some like cancer research. Next week could be very, very good. So I want you guys to kind of remember this. Right now it is 3:38 while I'm recording this video. Hopefully by the time you're watching this video, hopefully it's over 4 at least. I'm hoping it's at least 4 by next week. Hopefully even, $5, $6 by the time you guys are watching this video. Super hyped about this stock. It has been absolutely killing it. I wish that I had more shares. I sold some shares a while ago. I made profit. I did a swing trade on it. I sold some shares when it was like 90 cents when I bought it at like 60 cents. I made some profit. Obviously, I wish I didn't sell them, but next up we have NNDM. This is also the options that I have. This is why I bought the options, because this is a stock that I'm very hyped about as well. It's my second largest stock that I have on my portfolio. It's a company that creates 3D circuit boards. Lots of potential. I'm really hoping that this goes up. I'm hoping for some kind of merger, buyout, something within the next few months, and I think that this can skyrocket. If I scroll down, you can see I have 1,800 shares with 18,792 market value right now, with an average cost of $5.38. On Friday, I made $126 with a total return of $9,116, which is 94%. They just did a direct offering on Thursday, which made the price drop a little bit. So I think next week it's going to pick back up. It's been trending up a lot. So I really think that by next week we're going to see $11.50, $12 at least, which then will also help the calls that I have, the options that I have. Third stock that I have is WWR. It's $5.06 right now. Westwater Resources. I have 2,675 shares with a market value of $13,535, an average cost of $5.73. And on Friday, I made $214, but I'm down, unfortunately, $1,700. They're not always going to be winners. This is a play. I'm hoping that they partner with Tesla or some kind of EV company, electric vehicle company in the future. The price can skyrocket. Once again, do your own research on that. Let's get into the next stock. The next stock that I have is Genius brand. I have 4,000 shares, market value of $5,680, average cost of $1.45. On Friday, I lost $280. I'm down $137 overall. This is a kids' TV streaming service. They have big names that are coming out with some TV shows like Shaquille O'Neal, Arnold Schwarzenegger. They're planning on announcing some kind of partnership or something that has to do with Marvel. They've been talking about this since last year, but the timing's not right yet. They said, be ready for it. Nobody knows what the information is with Marvel, which could be huge and skyrocket the stock, hopefully. So holding on to that for a while. The next stock that I have is Wafu, which is Wafu Education Group. 800 shares, $3,680, and market value $5.53. Made $264 on Friday, but I'm down $742 overall. The next stock that I own in this portfolio is CIDM. If I scroll down, I have 3,697 shares with a market value of $3,035, average cost of 69 cents, lost $36 on Friday, a total return of $465, which is pretty solid. I bought this earlier this week, so within a week I made $465 off it. And last but not least, so this is a stock that it went belly up, lost a lot of money on this. It went bankrupt, but I'm holding on to it because there's a chance that it comes back later this year. They got bought out. There's talks of it possibly coming back, but not every stock that you make is going to be or every stock that you pick, is going to be a winner. As you can see, 12,000 shares doesn't really matter because I lost everything. I lost $5,000 off of it. Hopefully it comes back later this year. Even to give me a couple $1,000 back or something, I'll be happy. But might as well hold on to it. No point in selling it because it's only worth $186. Hopefully I make some of that money back. So that pretty much wraps up this video. As I said, I want it to be a short video. Didn't want to go too in depth on each stock. Comment below if you guys do want to see a video on specific stocks. Join my Discord. Ask me questions. I'll have the link below. Also, if you guys do want to sign up for RobinHood, you get one free stock if you use my link in the description. Also, Webull, which is another trading platform, you get 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600. And also, if you know nothing about investing but just want to invest, which is highly recommended, definitely invest in your future. If you're watching this, you should have been investing yesterday. Like, invest as soon as you can. I just made a video on an app called Acorns. I'm trying to build that account to $10,000 by the end of this year. Make sure you guys go watch that video. Super easy. You need to know nothing about stocks and investing. You just have to deposit money. I go over that all in the video. I'll have the link below. Please make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Click that bell. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Peace.